ETH, we start with 1 hour chart. We want to see how we can look for trade. If we refer to our analysis, we have been looking for the price to drop. Even when the price was within this move, we mentioned we can expect for continuation, and even we mentioned we can expect the price drop to 2510. All right, the price continue and even break the previous low, but it couldn't drop to what we expected exactly. Anyway, as what we expected, the price drop. Then after that reverse, and right now we're looking at this. If we get any trade set up for buy, we will take the trade, and we put this low in relative to the previous one. If we refer to the indicators, we see we have a divergence. This means from now, if we get any trade set up for buy, we'll take the trade, and with the breakout of this stuff, we start to manage it. Okay, and how about if I move to higher time frame? Want to see what we have based on higher time frame. Similar to what we explained in our analysis, we have a two option, and right now we're looking at this. We want to see whether we can get, as if this is the start of the reversal, we want to see whether we can get the continuation from here or not. That's mean we're looking at this correction. If we get any trade set up for buy based on lower time frame, as we explained, we will take it and we start to manage it. And if I remove everything, we have been looking to put this one in relative to this. That's why we get, if we get any reversal for buy, we will take the trade. All the explanation is similar to what we explained in my last analysis. All right, but the only thing is right now we're looking at this wedge. We need to see the breakout of this, but we are not going to trade with the breakout of this line. We are looking for the trade setup. Okay, and what we should know that the breakout either up move or down move, mostly we can expect to be a sharp. That's why if we get any trade, we should have the proper management from now. All right, and if I move to 1 hour chart, technically what we get here, we can look for buy. But one thing I need to highlight here, if we get any trade setup for buy, we need to see the continuation as a sharp move. If it turns to a corrective move, the bigger picture, this one can turn to a flat. Okay, and right now, since we are within the correction, as I am highlighted based on daily chart, any trade, we should have the proper management in case the price go against us. And then what we should do, if we get any trade set up for buy from here, we will take it, and we need to see the continuation as a sharp move. If it turns to a corrective move, we take out the trade, or we start to manage it. We should know about the bigger picture in case the price can drop. Because what we're looking for, if we get any trade set up for buy, we take it, and we want to see the continuation and with the breakout of the stop. Then from there, we start to manage at least more stop loss to break even. But technically, whenever we get the trade, we see the trade is not moving in our direction, we don't keep it more than 3 to 4 hours. That means within the 4 hours, we should make a decision whether it's moving in our direction as what we want. If it's moving sharp, it's good. If it's moving the corrective, and if we can put or move our stop loss to break even, we just do it and let it go. And if we see the price is not moving in our direction after 4 hours and it start to correct, and we cannot put it in the break even, we try to take either take out the trade in the small loss or break even if possible. But if we can, if they'll at least move a bit in our direction, we are in the profit. If we can, just move our stop loss in the break even and just let it go. That's why if we get any trade set up for buy, at least we should know after 4 or 5 hours, if maximum 4 hours, it depends on the strategy. And we cannot say put all of them in the same range, but almost 3 to 4 hours, if it is not moving in our direction, we just take with the trade. Okay, then we'll look for the next trade. All right, and right now we're looking for buy. We want to see if we get any trade set up for buy, we will get from here. Right now, it doesn't give us any confirmation for buy. The best thing is if this one turned to deeper or bigger correction. All right, and it depends on the strategy the traders they use. And if I move to 15 minutes, and there was opportunity as well to look for buy based on lower time frame when we get the trade from here. And I mean, even we see the correction from here. And even this one tend to turn a bit, wait another few hours. If we get any trade set up for buy, we'll take the trade. Okay. Anyway, we just follow the chart as what we expected the price reverse. And right now, if we get any trade set up for buy, we will take the trade. And as I mentioned, based on 15 minutes, also there was a opportunity to look for buy. And in this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.